Dear and near students plus respected parents of the student, today I am going to explain the calculation based on fraction division, or you can say that division of fraction. This depends upon you which one name would you like to accept or take. I don't know. There is one question in front of you. 3 over 5 is divided by 2 over 3, because number of the students do the mistake in the calculation related to division of fraction. So I am requesting especially for one thing. Do you know if the foundation of a building is strong? Remember this one and put in your brain. If foundation of any building is strong, this means that building is going to stay for a long period of time. In the same way, if your mental foundation is strong, this means that your career will be strong. For these purposes, you have to prepare to yourself by easy concept, better concept, or better mathematical calculation. See this one, fraction division. In easy way, I am going to teach you. I especially request to parents, if you have seen my video prior to seen by your children, please convince them. Please approach my video up to them. See this one video regarding to fraction division. See one question which is very short and very easy. See this one. 3 over 5 is divided by 2 over 3. Again you can listen my matter. 3 divided by 5, that means 3 over 5 is divided by 2 over 3. Here symbol of division is lying or working between two fraction, and this format of fraction, again this format of the fraction is known as simple fraction, because you know better than I, there are 4 types of fraction, but I am not going to explain the types of fraction. See how can you can simplify this one. 3 over 5, here sign is division, but you don't have to do the division. In place of division, you have to do multiplication. Always remember, because division is very easy and very fast concept or method to calculate the fraction division. See this one, 3 over 5, write this one as it is, 3 over 5. I change the sign, this one division, change this one sign, multiplication. And if you have changed the sign multiplication in place of in place of division, then you have to also change here. Change here means the upper portion is known as numerator and a lower portion, yani bottom portion, is known as denominator. So when you will change the sign here, symbolic representation of division here, this comes like this. See, division becomes multiplication, then you have to change also this one, denominator will be numerator or numerator will be denominator. If you are looking, is there any possibility of cancellation, from cancellation of numerator to denominator or denominator to numerator? Not in the same case, like numerator to denominator, no, denominator to denominator, no. Always you have to cancel numerator to denominator or denominator to numerator. Here in both fraction there is no chance of cancellation, so simply multiply, because here sign is sign of multiplication. 3 is multiply like this, you can write 3 multiplied by 3 divided by 5 multiplied by 2. This means that 3 multiplied 3 times, this means 9. 5 multiplies 2 times, this will be 10. This will be your correct answer, 9 by 10. This will be your correct answer, 9 by 10. So when there is if so finally when you get the fraction problem related to division, don't do division, because how you can divide this one? So division is converted into multiplication And what is the process of multiplication? I have already teach you. See the another method. This is the first method. Now see the second method. Now see the second method. This depends upon you. Which one method would you like to accept? I don't know. You know better. 3/5 divided by 2/3. Here numerator 3, denominator 5. Here numerator 2, denominator 3. In both simple fraction, you have to see denominator of both simple fractions should be equal. If this is unequal, then you have to make this one equal first. This is the method. So how you will make the equal? See this one, 3/5. This is the first part. Now see here, this is the denominator, multiply above and also multiply below. Because this will be cancelled, then you will get original form, divided 2/3. See here, 5 is multiplied by 3. This means that 15. So you have to multiply above and below by 5, right? This means that 3 is multiplied by 3, 9. 5 is multiplied by 3. This is 15, divided by 2 is multiplied by 5, 10, or 3 is multiplied by 5. This will be also 15. Don't do like this. Right, 9. This is the first part. 9/15 divided by, put the sign here, 10/15. So see like this, 10/15 in both fraction. This one fraction one part, another one this one part. See here, numerator 9, numerator 10, another fraction. Denominator of first fraction is 15 and denominator of second fraction is also 15. So cut this 15. Now you will get 9/10 only, numerator divided by numerator, right? Numerator divided by numerator, 9/10. This will be correct answer. This answer is also same as previous, right? See another question. See another question. This is the 5 whole number 2/3. 3 whole number 5/2. You have to simplify this one. This is the first method. See this one, how you can simplify. There is sign between both mixed fraction. This is known as mixed fraction. Sign is division. Don't do anything. Multiply 5 multiply by 3 plus 2 divided by 3. This one sign 3 multiply 2 plus 5 divided by 2. Now calculate this one. 5, 15 plus 2 divided by 3. Sign of division put here. 3 multiply 2. This means 6 plus 5 divided by 2. Right? Move another person. See this one. When you will add this one, 15 plus 17 divided by 3. 6 plus 5 means 11 divided by 2, right? Now I have already told you in previous question, given sign of division is given, change this one in sign of multiplication like this. When this will be changed, here this will be also changed. Denominator will be numerator or numerator will be denominator. Now see the cancellation work is any here? No cancellation work. Multiply simply. 17 multiplied by 2, that means 34. 11 multiplied by 3, this means 33. You can leave your answer here, otherwise you can move one step ahead. You can also write one whole number 1/33. When you will simplify this one, you will get this one. So this will be also answer, this will be also answer. This means that both answer is correct, but you have to select any one, this one or this one, right? See another method. See another method. 5 whole number 2/3. This one question. Don't do anything. Only you have to do first. This is the mixed fraction. So you have to simplify in simple fraction like this. 5 multiply 3 plus 2. This one 3 divided by 3. Here division. 3 multiply by 2 plus 5 divided by 2. One step you have to come. 15 plus 2, 17, but divided by 3. Sign division you can put. 3 multiplied to 6, 6 plus 5, 11 by 2. Now see this one. This is numerator, this is denominator, this is numerator, this is denominator. Here numerator same or not same, this is not a matter, but denominator should be same. Make same of both side denominator. So what you do, alternate, you can multiply by 2. 3 is also multiply by 2. When both 2 will be cancelled, then you will get 17 by 3. This is the original form. See this one. Sign here division. Here see 11 multiply by 3 divided by 2 multiply by 3. Right? Now move towards ahead. Here see 17 is multiplied by 2. This means that 34. 3 multiplied by 2. This means 6. Sign here division. 11 multiplied 3. This is 33. 2 multiplied by 3. This is 6. Now you can see and realize fraction. This is a simple fraction. In both fraction is simple fraction. But here see numerator is different, but denominator is same. So you have to do 34 divided by 6. Sign is division. 33 write this one by 6. Here see denominator same. So same cancel. Now you will get numerator 34 of first simple fraction, another one divided by numerator of second simple fraction. This 34 divided by 33 you can write like this. Both is same. You can either select this one or this one. This depends upon you. So this is one of the best trick for all of the students. And watch this one, and a lot of thanks for your watching, and prepare to your brain a strong and fast trick like this. Thank you very much for your watching my videos. Lot of thanks. I will always remember you. First watch this video and get the lot of knowledge related to fraction division. This is very simple, easy and short method. Thank you very much. In next video there will be next topic. Lot of thanks for your watching. Okay, till then, bye bye.